So this is my completed vase. It hasn't been cut off from the rest of the stock yet, but it's been finished with 4 layers of tung oil, and then a layer of furniture paste over it. And you can see how there's a lot of grain to this wood. Now, because there was a, uh, a knot in the wood right here, there was some checking and some voids in the wood. So what gave it sort of a nice figure and nice color also meant that there were some holes and defects in the wood. So I filled it with an epoxy that is the color of wood, and then turned it with the voids filled. So you can have this vase looking like this. And then after I turned it to that shape, I used a Forstner bit to bore the diameter out. So it's hollow all through here. And what I'm going to do is use a parting tool and part it off. But after my wife, Sharon, decides, roughly how tall she wants it to be. It's either going to be 10.5 inches or 11 inches. We're not sure yet. But that is a vase made entirely out of scrap wood. Also, I don't have a chuck, so the technique I used is where this is what's called a glue block. It's bolted to the faceplate right there, and then the blank is then literally glued to the glue block, and that way it can just hang with no support. Like the tailstock is not used to support it, and that is how you can essentially turn a vase and bore out the inside on a lathe. Now you do use the tailstock when you're doing the initial roughing. Then you don't use the tailstock after that.